Hi there, I hope you're okay and that you're ready to learn. So, today we are learning to simplify fractions. So, as we can see here, we have a fraction which is 20 over 25. Okay, so how we need to simplify this is we need to find the factors of 20. So, as you can see here, these are the factors of 20. So 1 will go into 20 how many times? That's right, 20 times. 2 goes into 20 10 times. 5 goes into 20. That's right, 4 times. 10 goes into 20 how many times? That's right, 2 times. And 20 goes into 20 how many times? 1 time. That's right, well done. And then we need to look at the factors of 25. Okay, so the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So again, 1 goes into 25 25 times, 5 goes into 25 5 times, and 25 goes into 25 how many times? 1 time. Well done. So as we can see, if we look at the factors of both the numerator and the denominator, we can see that both have a 5 in it. So because both have a 5 in it, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. So here it says 5 is the largest factor of both 20 and 25. So 20 over 25 means that we can divide it by 5. So if we do our 5 times table, we can see how many 5s gets us to 20. Are you ready to do your 5 times table? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20. So that is 4. So 4 goes here because we're simplifying 20. So it's 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then again, we need to divide the denominator by 5 also. So again, let's do our 5 times tables to see if we get to 5. Are you ready to count with me? Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that's right. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So we've divided both numbers by 5 because that's the largest factor of both 20 and 25. And then we simplify 20 over 25. And that becomes 4 over 5. Or we also can say what? That's right, 4/5. So here we have another fraction. And I would like us to work this out together. Are you ready for us to work it out? Okay, let's go. Okay. What do you notice about the last digits of these numbers? That's right, they both end in a 0. And if numbers end in a 0, what times table can we use? That's right, we can use 10. So we know 10 goes into 40 and we also know 10 goes into 100. So our largest factor is going to be 10. So if we put 10 here and 10 here, so now we have to count in our 10s till we get to 40. Are you ready to count in your 10s till we get to 40? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we know 10 goes into 40 4 times. So we can put 4 here. Okay. Now we need to count in our 10s to 100 because now we need to work out the denominator. So are you ready to count in your 10s? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we know 10 goes into 100 10 times. So 10 becomes our new denominator. Okay, now having a look at these numbers, do you think we can simplify them again? Yes, I do too. So let's go. Let's work out the factors of 4. So if we have a look, we can start with number 1. Okay, because 1 goes into 4 how many times? That's right, it goes into 4 times. Okay, so 2. Can 2 go into 4? Shall we count out in our 2 times tables? I think we should too. Let's go. 2, 4. So 2 goes into 4 2 times, so we can put a 2 here. And then can we put 3 into 4? An equal amount of times? No, that's right, we can't put 3 into 4. Can we put 4 into 4? Yes, we can. 4 goes into 4 once. So there are all our factors of 4. So now we can do the same and find all the factors of 10. Okay, so we can start with 1. Because we know 1 goes into 10 how many times? That's right, it goes into 10 times. Okay, what about 2? Does 2 go into 10? Yes, it does, because it's an even number and we know our 2 times tables. So 2 also goes into 10. And that goes into 10 5 times. After 2 is what number? 3, that's right. Does that go into 10 equally? Let's see. Let's do our 3 times tables. Are you ready? 3, 6, 9, 12. No, so 3 is not a factor of 10. So let's try 4 now. Let's count in our 4 times tables. Are you ready? Let's go. 4, 8, 12. So 4 does not go into 10 equally. So that cannot be a factor of 10. The next number we can try is 5. Let's try 5. Let's do our 5 times tables. 5, 10. So yes, 5 goes into 10 equally, and it goes in twice. Okay. But we know 6 is not going to go into 10, nor is 7, nor is 8, nor is 9, because 5 goes into 10 twice. But we know 10 goes into 10 once. So that is a factor of 10. So looking at our factors of 4, we have, count with me, 1, 2 and 4. And then looking at our factors of 10, we have 1, 2, 5 and 10. So as we can see, what number do we have in both factors? That's right, 2. So we now know we need to divide our numerator and denominator by 2. So how many 2's go into 4? Let's do our 2 times table until we get to 4. 2, 4. So that goes in 2 times. So we can put a 2 here. That will be our numerator simplified. And then if we count in our 2 so we get to 10, we will find our denominator simplified. So let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that becomes 5. So now we have simplified our fraction together. So 40 over 100 simplified becomes 2 over 5, or we can say what? That's right, 2/5. Well done for simplifying fractions today. Have a good day now. Bye.